Genes are like blueprints for your body. Made of DNA, they're inherited from your parents and determine features like eye color and aspects of personality. Humans have about 20,000 genes, with small variations making each person unique. Brain-related genes influence how you think and feel. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that brain cells use to communicate. Key ones include glutamate, for learning and memory, histamine, for alertness, dopamine, and serotonin. When balanced, these chemicals help your brain work properly. Genetic differences affect how these chemicals function in your brain. DAOA controls how glutamate works in your brain. Glutamate is the main excitement signal for learning and memory. DAOA regulates D-serine, which helps glutamate work properly, like a helper that makes a key fit better in a lock. Changes in DAOA can alter glutamate activity in your brain. DAOA variations change glutamate function, affecting brain activity. This can cause stronger emotional changes, periods of intense focus alternating with scattered thoughts, and increased creativity. People with these variations often notice unique patterns and connections, giving them different perspectives. MAO-A makes an enzyme that breaks down brain chemicals, especially histamine. In your brain, histamine helps with wakefulness and attention. MAO-A acts like a cleanup crew keeping histamine levels balanced, similar to a dimmer switch for alertness. It works in the mitochondria, the energy centers of cells. MAO-A variations affect histamine breakdown, sometimes causing it to build up. Higher histamine makes your nervous system more sensitive, like turning up the volume on your senses. This can cause stronger reactions to histamine-rich foods, increased alertness, difficulty relaxing, and noticing details others miss. Glutamate and histamine influence each other. More histamine can trigger glutamate release, while high glutamate can make you more sensitive to histamine's effects. When both are unbalanced, you might feel hyperaroused, extremely alert and sensitive. Having both DAOA and MAO-A variations creates a more complex brain chemistry with unique strengths and challenges. These brain chemistry patterns offer strengths: deep thinking, creativity, and pattern recognition. Glutamate system, heightened awareness and attention to detail. Histamine system. Together, they enable intense focus, noticing subtle details, creative problem solving, and persistence, traits found in many inventors and artists. Challenges include racing thoughts and anxiety, excess glutamate, hypersensitivity and restlessness, excess histamine, mood swings, sensory sensitivity to sounds, lights, or textures, disrupted sleep patterns, and lower stress tolerance. However, proper strategies can help manage these challenges effectively. These brain types excel in different careers: research, analysis, and programming, glutamate strength, quality control, editing, and security, histamine strength. Creative professions, self-paced work, project-based jobs, and roles requiring sensitivity to others' needs, teaching, counseling, are also good matches. Balance your brain chemistry with regular daily schedules, awareness of histamine-rich foods, fermented products, aged cheese, and glutamate-containing foods, tomatoes, soy sauce, quality sleep, regular exercise, relaxation techniques, and controlled sensory environments. DAOA affects my glutamate system while MAO-A influences my histamine system, creating my unique brain profile. These variations aren't disorders, just differences that make me unique. Understanding my brain chemistry helps leverage strengths and manage challenges. With the right environment and habits, I can thrive with my unique brain characteristics.